I'm Anil Kumar, and now we'll explore patterns in T-chart. Question here is, first part of the question is, we need to complete the T-chart and then describe the pattern rule and then create a problem that could be solved using the T-chart. Now T-chart is given to us here. It relates days with hours. One day has 24 hours, 2 days has 42 hours, 3 days will have how many hours? So you see a pattern here. You need to pause the video, complete this pattern, right? So that is the first part, and then describe the pattern. So when we say describe the pattern, in that case we have to describe the second column. So let me write pattern in second column, okay? You have to describe this pattern in second column, and then part 3 of this question is create a problem that could be solved using the T-chart. Okay, so let's begin with completing the T-chart. So what is happening here is one day has got 24 hours, 2 days has 42 hours. So 24 more hours for the third day. So you can add 24 to 48. That is one way of doing it. So let's add. 4 plus 8 is 12, 1, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 1, 7. So we have added 24 and we have got 72. Now let us again add 24. So you can do it on the side also. So 72 plus 24 is 6, 7 plus 2 is 9. So let us write down 96 here, right? So 96. Now to 96, let us add 24 again, right? So when you add 24, 10 and 12. So you get 120. Now let us again add 24. So keep on adding 24. You get the next number. So it is 4, 4 and 1. So you get 144. Now again add 24 to 144 to get the number here. 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6. You get 168. So let me write down 168. So like this, you can complete the T-table, right? So we have done the first part, that is to complete the T-chart. And now let us describe the pattern. So we call that as pattern rule, right? So what is the pattern rule here? Now this pattern rule is for second column, right? So let me write second column to be very clear. So what is happening in the second column? You start at 24 and then add 24 each time, right? So that is how we complete this T-chart, and that becomes the pattern rule for the second column. Correct? So that's the second part. And now the third part is create a problem that could be solved using the T-chart. So can you think about a question? Well, it could be how many hours are there in a week, right? How many hours are there in a week? A week has 7 days. So you can read the answer from this T-chart. So that could be a question, right? Likewise, you can create your own questions, right? So if there are 120 hours, then that means how many days? So that is also a way to write down a question which can utilize the information on this T-chart. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.